Well, here's an update. Here we are midsummer, and our poor little new sweet box have kind of taken it on the chin. A couple of them I think are toast. I'll have to replace those. And the Nandinas are doing okay, but they're not real happy with the drought. Got to see if we can increase watering. The Riope are doing all right. They're doing okay. What I really wanted to show you is the work we're doing here on this walkway. These flagstones lined with brick and some pea gravel in between. So as you can see, got a little ways to go, but that's this weekend's project. Okay, it's a few hours later, quitting time for today, but this is how far I got. Got all the bricks laid, tamped down, leveled, sand under them as necessary to get them level and solid. And here's where I ran out of gravel. So I need one more bag of gravel. Pretty happy with the way this is turning out. Yeah, I'll probably mulch up to the side of the bricks to make that look nice. And then, not sure what we're going to do here in the future to carry it on around down there, whether we'll do more of the same or transition and do something different. But that's where we are right now. Let me know in the comments about what you think of our choice of brick and flagstone and the color of pea gravel that we got. Whether you like the contrast or if you like something more uniform. Now we have to do is a lot of walking back and forth to justify it, right? And that's what's left of my pile of bricks. Should be plenty to finish off this project and have a few extra spares. Okay, it's all done. Got the last bit of the gravel in and the bricks. I think it turned out pretty well. That was a lot of sweat equity, but I think it was totally worth it. I wonder what that would have cost to pay somebody to do it. If you have an estimate of what somebody would charge, put that in the comments. Let me know. Thanks for watching.